how to fix voicemail notification not working on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification and status bar. After click on notification and status bar, scroll down and click on customize icon display. After click on customize icon display, you will see DND is here. If you want to turn off DND, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, DND is turned off. After turn off DND, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, so restart phone. Click power button and volume up button and restart phone. After restart phone, you will see, so enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. If it still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity option, click on reset settings, and after click on reset setting, enter your phone pin and click on next. After click on next and click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix voicemail notification not working on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.